Hi, welcome to Ivy Machinery channel. The following is about Z4 complete line. The first machine here is automatic Z4 folding machine. The stable speed can be reached to 160 meters per minute. Automatically transferred to lock wrapper. The material for lock wrapper is craft paper. Block coming to the cutting machine, cutting into small pieces, and then coming to carton box packing machine. Carton box packing machine automatically open the box and then convey the empty box to the filling in section. After filling the box, coming to sealing the top of the carton box, and then convey the box to the palletizing section. Any interest in our production line, please contact us by email or WhatsApp. My name is Ivy.